Hey guys, so you can see me dart, but I have my slime out. It's very unique good. It's not golden, it's just plain white and then beads. I am gonna paint it. It's very stretchy. Start poking holes. This is just for me.
Lorenzo, can you shut the f up?
Alright, to swing. Okay, so I did a lot of holes, so
Are you guys still up?
I'm playing with my slime.
That's a miracle.
You wanna touch it? You wanna touch it?
You care what? See, it's way better now.
But if you leave it outside for a lot, it's
What?
gonna be stickier. I think I'm gonna need more activator or Tide. That's maybe I'm gonna need. Or I was just maybe gonna need more shaving cream because maybe shaving cream is maybe the trick to stop making it more stickier or something. I don't know. I need to check Google or maybe on YouTube. Maybe Google because YouTube have people a lot of stuff that has more stuff than us. So maybe Google if shaving cream or activator. Activator, I think. Comment down below if activator will make it more stickier. I have like little beads and little shells inside it. I think I need to put more activator, but I can put it in the top. I'm coming back. Okay, so you guys in the comments said activator, so let's put like a few drops. Okay, let's tap it. You could do it in your hands too, or you could do it with a spoon. I like to use my hands to poke it. I'm mixing it with activator.
You recording?
Yeah. It's a YouTube. But nobody can see mommy. Because mommy doesn't want to see in the camera. It got no more or less stickier, so I'm going to make a big hole and put more. Erica, then it got more stickier. I think it is. I'm mixing it more. Subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe to my channel. And put those notifications on, like this video. I think this